Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Ridgeline. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, locking rear differential, privacy glass, body color door handles, compact spare tire, drive-by-wire throttle, brake assist. Inside you'll find security system, cruise control, trip computer, map lights, child-proof rear door locks. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.